You can see that there's ambient LED lighting right here, and it goes all the way across, and it's in other places on this Hyundai as well, like in the footwell and all kinds of neat places. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the ambient lighting in your Hyundai so that you can make it as colorful as you want. From our home screen, we're going to press Setup, Vehicle, Lights, Ambient Lighting. It allows you to set the properties of the mood lighting. You can see you can first adjust the brightness of it, and that happens in real time. That's nice. I like it really bright personally. Then you can go to color. You can pick regular colors from this palette: polar white, ice blue, ocean blue, jade green, and it's changing in real time right now in the cabin, and it's really nice because you can see it happen instantly. Right now I ended with lightning violet. It's a beautiful purple. Or, this is so neat, you can press the last one and you can set a custom color. So you can see these curved arrows, and you can see right here in the middle that shows you what the color is going to be. So you can stop anytime you want to, and it will set that color in your ambient lighting. So let's go with that red color. When we want to make that selection, we'll press OK. And right now, inside the Hyundai, it is that beautiful red color. And that is how you set the ambient lighting in your vehicle. But there's also another feature. You can link it to drive mode. Drive mode is like sport, eco, snow, normal. And so whenever you press that, it will change the color of the mood lighting according to the drive mode. It gives you less options, but if you are in sport mode and you want it to be red inside the cabin, that's the ticket right there. Then you can also dim it in darkened conditions when that is highlighted right there. And so what that will do is it'll automatically dim the mood lighting when it gets dark outside. I like it bright, so I'm going to uncheck that. I'm going to uncheck that. And now we can have our customized brightness and our customized color inside our vehicle. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you enjoy your ride.